Class 7 IMO Level 2 previous year paper. Question number 1. Which of the following shaded fractions represent the following? First, let us rearrange the shaded fractions so that we can easily find the shaded parts. Now, A's shaded fraction will be 1 by 4, B's shaded fraction will be 1 by 2, C's shaded fraction will be 3 by 8, and D's shaded fraction will be 2 by 5. Now, let us simplify this given expression. If we simplify, we will get 2 by 5. Now, 2 by 5 is the shaded fraction of the D option. Question number 2. Read the statement carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. If Karan walks 5 by 6 km from a point A towards north and then from there 3 by 8 towards south, then he is 11 by 24 km from the point A towards south. Karan's final distance from point A is equal to 11 by 24 kilometers. Yes, that is correct. But Karan's final distance from point A is 11 by 24 km towards north, not south. Therefore, this statement is false. Statement 2. A pole has to be colored 1 by 20th, 1 by 30th, 1 by 40th, 1 by 50th, and 1 by 70th part of the pole colored with white, violet, black, red, and blue respectively. If the length of the red portion is 12.5 meters, then the length of the pole is 1125 meters. The part of the pole has red color is 1 by 50th. Given red portion is equal to 12.5 meters. So we can write this as 1 by 50 into total height of the pole is equal to 12.5 meters. So total height of the pole is equal to 625 meters, not 1125 meters. Therefore, this statement is also false. Question number 3. In the given figure not drawn to scale, AB is parallel to CD, is parallel to EF, is parallel to GH, is parallel to IJ. Then which of the following options is correct? AB is parallel to CD and AC is a transversal. Therefore, angle BAC plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees. That is co-interior angles. CD is parallel to EF and CE is a transversal. And angle DCE plus angle CEF is equal to 180 degrees because they are co-interior angles. Now, EF is parallel to GH and EG is a transversal. So, angle FEG plus angle EGH is equal to 180 degrees because it's a co-interior angle. Now, GH is parallel to IJ and GI is a transversal. Similarly, angle HGI plus angle GIJ is equal to 180 degrees because they are co-interior angles. Now, combining equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, we can get this following expression. So, A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 720 degrees. Question number 4. If RS is parallel to PQ and RT is parallel to UQ, then find the value of 8x minus 2y. Given RS is parallel to PQ and RT is parallel to UQ and angle TRQ is equal to 90 degrees and angle PQM is equal to 150 degrees. RT is parallel to UQ and RQ is a transversal, so angle TRQ is equal to angle RQU which is equal to 90 degrees, that is x, because they are alternate interior angles. As UM is a straight line, angle UQP and angle PQM forms a linear pair. Angle UQP plus angle PQM is equal to 180 degrees and angle UQP is equal to 30 degrees. Now, angle RS is parallel to PQ and RQ is a transversal. Angle SRQ is equal to angle RQP because they are alternate interior angles. So, y plus 90 degree is equal to x plus angle UQP. So, we can find the value of y, that is 30 degrees. Now, 8x minus 2y is equal to 660 degrees. Question number 5. In the given figure not drawn to scale, DAE, CBH and ACG are straight lines. DAE is parallel to CBH is parallel to FG. Find the values of x and y respectively. FG is parallel to DE and AG is the transversal. Angle FGA and angle DAG are co-interior angles. So we can write this as angle FGA plus angle DAG is equal to 180 degrees. So angle DAG is equal to 180 degrees minus angle FGA. Angle DAG is equal to 110 degrees. That is X. CH is parallel to DE and AB is a transversal. Angle HBA and angle EAB are co-interior angles. So we can write this as angle HBA plus angle EAB is equal to 180 degrees. Angle HBA is equal to 180 degrees minus angle EAB and angle DAG is equal to 145 degrees. That is Y. Question number 6. In the given figure not drawn to scale, PU is parallel to QT and PS is a straight line. Find angle UPQ. In triangle TQR, angle TQR plus angle QTR is equal to angle TRS. Exterior angle property. So angle TQR is equal to 60 degrees. As PU is parallel to QT, angle UPQ is equal to 60 degrees. Corresponding angles. Question number 7. A running track is in the shape of a circular ring of outer diameter 84 meters. The track is 7 meters wide. Find the circumference of the inner circle and area covered by the ring. Given diameter of outer ring is equal to 84 meters and track is 7 meters wide. Let the radius of the outer ring be capital R and that of the inner ring be small r. First, let's determine the values of capital R and small r. The capital R is equal to diameter divided by 2, which is equal to 42 meters. Small r is equal to 35 meters. So, let's find the first statement, the circumference of the inner ring. The circumference of the inner ring is equal to 220 meters. And the area covered by the ring is equal to area of the outer ring minus area of the inner ring. That is 1694 meters square. Question number 8. The given figure is formed by two identical circles in a rectangle. E and F are the centers of the circle. Find the area of the shaded part. Given breadth of the rectangle as 28 cm, which can be considered as the diameter of the circle, since the circle touches the sides of the rectangle. So the radius of the circle is equal to 14 cm. Length of the rectangle is equal to 28 cm plus 28 cm, which is equal to 56 cm, sum of the diameter of the two circles. To find the area of the shaded region, we can calculate the area of the rectangle and then subtract it from the areas of the two circles from it. So area of the rectangle is equal to 1568 cm square. Area of the circle is equal to 616 cm square. And area of the shaded region is equal to area of the rectangle minus 2 into area of the circle. So area of the shaded region is equal to 336 cm square. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload.